One day, Sammy found a tiny carrot seed in his pocket. He smiled and said, "I wonder what will happen if I plant this." Sammy dug the soil to make it soft and loose. Carrots like soft soil so they can grow long and straight. He made little rows and gently planted the carrot seeds. Then he gave them a gentle drink with his red watering can. Every day, Sammy gave the seeds sunshine, water, and even talked to them. After 1 week, little green shoots popped out. As the weeks passed, Sammy took care of the garden. He pulled weeds and made sure the carrot plants had space to grow. After 70 days, the carrot tops looked big and bushy. He pulled one out, and wow, a bright orange carrot. Sammy shared the carrots with his family and even gave one to the neighbor's bunny. Growing carrots takes love and care.